Hey there, parents. Wanted to walk you through a few of the problems on tonight's homework so that you could help kids that might have questions at home. For order of operations, we just remember we do anything in parentheses first, then anything with an exponent, then all multiplication or division from left to right, and then addition or subtraction from left to right. So I've picked a few problems from each. These are the problems from group 1, but all of this should help you a little bit here. So with number 1 on group 1, you can see in parentheses is 3 plus 1 times 4, and then times 1 on the outside. So the first thing I'd do is 1 times 4 because I do multiplication before addition. So that would be 4, and I'm left with 3 plus 4 inside parentheses, and then times 1. 3 plus 4 is 7 times 1, so my answer will be 7 there. On number 4, we go inside parentheses first. 3 plus 2 is 5, so then I'd be left with this. For my second step, I'd do 1 times 5 first. That's 5, and then 10 plus 5 is 15, so that will be my answer there. The last one I was going to show over here is number 15, the last one. 2 plus 3 plus 1 times 7. I do 1 times 7 first. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So that's the order those should be done in. Group 2 has a few different problems. I was going to do number 10 here. 5 plus 3 minus 5 divided by 5. You do 5 divided by 5 first, which is 1. Then I have 5 plus 3 minus 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Oops. 8 minus 1 is 9. So that would be number 10. And then 13 here, I have 2 times 5 minus 8 divided by 1. So I have multiplication, subtraction, division. I do multiplication first. 2 times 5 is 10 minus 8 divided by 1. Then I have subtraction and division. I would do the division first. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, so there's a couple examples from group 2. And then finally in group 3, I chose 4 and 5 for number 4. Inside parentheses, start with that. 4 divided by 4 is 1 to the 6th plus 5, and then times 10 on the front. 1 to the 6th power is just 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. It ends up being 1, so this ends up being 10 times 1 plus 5. 10 times 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15 for number 4. And then number 5, we have 2 sets of parentheses here, so I just work left to right. Inside here I have plus and minus, so I can do the plus can just go left to right again. So this becomes 9 minus 6 times 10 minus 8. 9 minus 6 is 3 times 10 minus 8. Since this is in parentheses, I would do that before the multiplication. 10 minus 8 is 2, so I have 3 times 2, so my answer is 6. Hopefully you can use that to kind of help you work through the other problems. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks.